Learn Japanese with Izuku Sensei. Hiragana. For our first lesson, we will learn about hiragana, the most basic writing character in Japan. Japanese writing system has four kinds of characters: hiragana, katakana, kanji, and romaji. Hiragana is for normal Japanese words, katakana is for borrowed word, kanji is special characters, romaji is the Roman alphabet version. Let's focus on hiragana. I will just show how to write it. I also suggest using apps like Hiragana Memory Hint. Here is the chart. Let's start.
A, a, I, I, U, U, E, E, O, O, Ka, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Ke, Ke, Ko, Ko.
Now, Ki has two ways to write. Both are correct.
Sa, Sa, Shi, Shi, Su, Su, Se, Se, So, So. Ta, Ta, Chi, Chi, Tsu, Tsu, Te, Te, To, To.
Same with the S line. We don't have T sound, and instead have chi.
Na, Na, Ni, Ni, Nu, Nu, Ne, Ne, No, No, Ha, Ha, Hi, Hi, Fu, Fu, He, He, Ho, Ho.
Remember that this character is not HO, it is Fu.
Ma, Ma, Mi, Mi, Mu, Mu, Me, Me, Mo, Mo, Ya, Ya, Yu, Yu, Yo, Yo.
Now, you may be wondering why Y line only have three characters. Well, that is because these are mainly used in combinations, which I will teach later.
La, La, Di, Di, Ru, Ru, Le, Le, Lo, Lo, Wa, Wa, O, O, N, N.
These three are a special character. N is also the only character besides the vowel that is singular. Do not be confused in pronouncing wo. When writing, it is O, but when pronounced, it is wo. Now, let's start with the Maru and Tenten. If we put Tenten on the K line, it became G, the S became Z, the T became D, and the H became B. But if we put Maru on the H line, it became P. Remember that only these on the chart will change with Maru and Tenten. Also, please remember that both Shi and Kai will become Ji if we put a Tenten on them. Su also became Ju. Now next is the combinations. These happens when you put the Y line next to a character that is ending with I. For example, you want to get a kyo sound from Tokyo, so we need to take the ki and combine it with yo. Now it is kyo. Take note that the yo will become smaller next to the combined character. Here is the chart. Make sure that the Y line is smaller. Also take note that when it is paired with she, kai and ji, it doesn't have a Y. That is all for our lesson 1. Now, let's try to write our name in hiragana. If your name has a single word that is not in the chart, just replace them with that sound similar. Example, Elmer would become Ermaru. Comment your name in hiragana on the comments, and watch this video as much as you like to memorize the characters. That's all, Giant.